Hi guys, today we are going to prepare Mexican with eggs. For this we need eggs, tomatoes, peppers, onion, coriander, corn, tortillas, oil and salt. First we chop the tomatoes, peppers and onion. Already chopped the ingredients, we put them to fry in a pan with oil. And stir for 3 to 5 minutes. After a while, we stir the eggs in our mixture. Now we add salt and peppers. And we mix. Let's roast the corn tortilla with the butter. Finally, put coriander on the corn tortilla. After, put our mixture of ingredients on it. As a result, we have some delicious Mexican with eggs.